Most people get started with Trello who feel unorganized, don't have a system to track projects and tasks. So today we're going to create one in an app called Trello. Get started by going to Trello.com, then clicking on and get Trello for free. In the top right, once you've created an account and verified your email, you're taken to the workspace. Here you can create your own board for organizing your schedules. So I'm gonna title this board into schedules, then create. And in here you can create now the schedules that you want to organize. And I'm gonna put activities and add list. And you can add card, enter what activities you want. So I'll put outing, reunion, then add card. You can add more. And then here you can create school activities, add list, and so on.